Hi guys! What you'll need for this project is a can from your pantry or your cabinets. Markers and crayons are optional. I'm actually going to use paint. If you don't have paint, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Like I said, you could use crayons or markers or whatever you have that's a coloring thing. Okay, so I'm using a large piece of white paper today, but if you don't have a large piece of paper, you can just put two pieces of paper side by side. Looks like this one got wet. And you're going to draw, first thing you're going to do for this project is draw ground, okay? And so if you had two pieces of paper, you'd want to match your ground so that it's because this is basically going to be one picture. But like I said, I'm working with the one big piece. So I need to draw my ground, and I draw it sort of a little bit curvy on the bottom half of the paper. And what we're gonna make is super cute and fun, and there's all types. I wrote this in my instructions. There's all kinds of bird art in the world, and today we're gonna do a stylized piece, which means they're not necessarily realistic, but we'll still know what they are. And so this is where the can comes in. And I'm going to squeeze on 5 circles going this way on my paper, all different heights. And I'm going to try to do this fairly quickly. Like I said, different heights. Now, I'm doing it quickly because I don't have a lot of time, and I want you to be able to do it. I'll make it a little, this is going to be a short guy, and it can kind of squeeze in below the tall one because you'll see why in just a second. And I kind of balance my heights. Some are short, some are tall. And then you're going to ask, how is that a bird? Oops, I messed up a little bit, but that is why we have erasers. Okay, here are my bird bodies. Now this is where it gets to be fun. Birds have specific characteristics on them that make them a bird, and one specifically is they have beaks. So, and beaks are actually a basic shape. This is a basic shape. These are circles, and their beaks are going to be a basic shape. It's kind of like a triangle. And this is where it's silly, because my beaks are going to be facing all different directions. Oh, you know what? This one's already like that, so I'm going to erase this one. Actually going to make it point right to the sky. And then this guy is facing this direction. And let's see, let me take a second and look. I have one this way, this way, this way. Oh, let's have one facing down. Okay, so we have beaks. Now we need wings. Okay, and the wings are a little bit tricky, but that's okay. I'm going to make mine kind of like little waves, and they're going to go in the direction of the beaks. Okay, so this one we know is flying that way. This one's flying this way, so the wings have to all go with the direction of the beaks. I'm going to try to go a little bit faster here. I think you get the idea. Okay, and now this is where it's gonna be silly. Our birds are gonna have wobbly, silly legs. And they're gonna be kind of 2D, 2D, sorry. Little bit. I give 2 lines per leg, and the feet can kind of bell out. These are gonna be nuts. He's got really long legs. Okay, and you get the idea. I'm going to give them all legs coming down here. Some can be wonky, some can be straight. And I as you know in class, I like to have my eyes shut, so I'm gonna just give them nice little, and this one has lashes. And I want to keep this video short so that you're not bored to tears. So I am going to cut it off after I'm done drawing these eyes. And I will send you, at the very end of this video will be my completed project. I was going to have you do this in rainbow colors, but I thought, why not just use whatever color you want to use? Because rainbow color is 7, there's 5 here. You could still do rainbow color. You could do any color theme you would like. I have these amazing metallic colors that my daughter is loaning me. I'll probably use them. But in this picture, the bodies are going to be colored, the beaks are going to be colored, the legs are going to be colored, and the ground. You can decide if you want to go in and color this guy. I'm going to leave mine white. And I'm actually going to take a little very skinny marker and go around a little skinny black marker and outline all of my pencils when I'm done. And it'll make my birds pop out. Okay, well, wait until the end so you get to see the finished product. Bye!